If you want to build a website without coding, GoDaddy Website Builder is one of the simplest ways to get started. In this video, I'll show you how to use GoDaddy Website Builder step by step, from signing in to editing your pages and publishing your site. This is a great option whether you're building a business website, a portfolio, or just getting your first website online. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's jump in. First, go to GoDaddy.com and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, look for My Products. This is where GoDaddy keeps all of the services attached to your account. From there, find Websites plus Marketing and click Manage. This will open the website management area for the site you want to edit. Next, click Edit Website. If this is your first time inside the builder, GoDaddy may ask you to choose a template. If that happens, pick the design that best matches your brand or the type of site you want to create. Don't worry too much about making it perfect right away, because you can customize almost everything later. Once the editor loads, you'll see the main page layout on screen. The easiest way to make changes is to click directly on any section. You can edit text, replace images, and adjust the layout without needing to understand any code. This drag and click style is what makes the GoDaddy Builder so beginner-friendly. If you want to add more content, use the left panel. Here, you can insert new sections like text blocks, images, galleries, and contact forms. This is especially useful if you want to build out a homepage, add a services section, or create a simple way for visitors to reach you. Just click the section type you want, then place it where it fits best on the page. Now, let's talk about pages. Click Pages to manage your site structure. This is where you can add new pages, rename existing ones, or organize the navigation so visitors can easily move around your website. For example, you might add pages like About Services, Contact, or FAQ depending on what your site needs. After that, click Theme if you want to change the overall look of your website. This is where you can update colors, fonts, and general style settings. Adjusting the theme helps keep your site consistent and makes it look more professional. If you're building a brand website, this step is important because it helps match your logo and business identity. Before publishing, always click Preview. This lets you check how your website will look on the front end before anyone else sees it. Take a few moments to review the spacing, text placement, images, and mobile-friendly layout. If something looks off, go back and make adjustments until everything looks right. When you're happy with the result, click Publish to make your site live. That's the final step, and once you publish, your website will be visible to visitors online. You can always come back later to edit, update, and improve it as your business grows. And that's how to use GoDaddy Website Builder from start to finish. You signed in, opened the editor, customized your pages, adjusted the theme, previewed the design, and published your site. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.